sorry, 1 minute. You can do it! Give me a ball! I don't know what you guys think, but I'm having a selfie.
And I'm going to be here doing a token anime poses. Oh! Oh! Such power!
Do you want to take the Space Marine? I'll take the Gundam. We'll do the noises and fight.
Alright, okay, I'll take that. My money's on the Space Marine.
My money's on the Gundam.
Right.
Fight! Zing!
Everything's alright, just a sound.
His gun's falling off! He get him! Beta!
He's down!
Round 2, fight! Headshots! He tagged out. Oh yeah, right. Bro fist.
Here, Mr. Space Marine! You can do it, buddy! Here, you need your magic weapon! Intervention! Let's go under the selfie. Yeah.
All this is Vegeta, the Prince of the Saiyans. Here's the Prince of it. Selfie of a selfie. I win.
Now this is the ultimate Sunny selfie.
I would like to pronounce I want. Oh god, you had guns on me. I surrender.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
What are we selling again?
The large Vegeta plushie. We're still on 60.
This Vegeta is so rare, we have a Space Marine and a Gundam willing to fight over it.
That sounds about right.
Are you willing to challenge them? Oh god, Temple. This is possibly the best thing.